Hi everybody, my name is Rahul and in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can run any LLM model locally on your computer. So recently I've been experimenting with a lot of LLM models for my projects, and one of the things that came to my mind initially while hopping onto these projects is how do I spin up my own LLM, because I did not know how to code a lot, so I just rate myself as a beginner to intermediate coder. And hailing from a cybersecurity domain, coding is not something that I do on a day-to-day basis. But luckily, I found a utility that helps you run any model locally on your computer without taking a lot of resources. And it also exposes an API, so you can also use that API to make calls to that LLM model. So in this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can install DeepSeek R1 and run it locally on your computer for various purposes. So first of all, before I show it to you, let me show how you can run it. As you can see, I'm running it locally, and as you can see, it works perfectly. Now this is one instance where I'm using my terminal to run it. I can also use Burp Suite because, as I just mentioned, it also exposes it through an API, which is API generate, and I'm using the model, the prompt to get a response back from the model. So in order to do that, what do you require? Let's hop onto that. So there's something called Olama. Olama lets you run multiple models on your local machine. So all you need to do is head over to olama.com and click on the download button. Once you've clicked on the download button, a binary will be downloaded. All you need to do is install Olama using that binary. Post that, all you need to do is head back to olama.com and select the model. So as you can see, if I do DeepSeek R1, all I would need to do is go here. So in order to exit from the interface, all I need to do is press Control D, and as you can see, I have exited out. So all I need to do is Olama pull and the name of the model. So as you can see, there are a lot of models, so with different parameters. So the less the parameters, the lesser its size would be. So I'm using a 7 billion parameter model. So all I need to do is Olama pull this, and it would pull the model. So it's of 4.7 gigabytes. I'm not doing that. You can happily do it if you're a first time user. After that, it has been installed. Now to run that, all you need to do is Olama run followed by that model. Okay, so this is all you need to do in order to run DeepSeek R1. So I hope this video was of some use to you, and happy learning.